Greetings all, Jeff here from AT4Y Publications. So I want to give you a sneak peek into what a lesson from the Acquire 5-Star Competencies really looks like. So the competencies from the University of Oregon are 5 main categories that have 34 different competencies. I've taken it and reconfigured it into 4 main customer service functional clusters like this. We're going to look at one of these clusters, having a customer mindset. I want to give you a sneak peek at what the payoff to the company is for having a customer service mindset. Welcome to Section 2 and our first cluster, Customer Mindset. The payoff here is greatly increased customer satisfaction, more repeat customers, but more important, more referrals. This is what we want. Not just we want our customers to be so enamored with what we're doing, they become champions for our company. The payoff to these in this category is this idea of being able to weather the storm. So what are we talking about here? Natural disasters? No. We're talking about product or service failure. Now, doesn't matter if it is your fault or somebody else's fault or some third party's fault or a natural disaster as such, and we'll talk about those separately. But for right now, it's how do you get through this? But more importantly, how do you help the customer navigate through this so that they don't just weather the storm, but they're still quite satisfied and happy after it? The payoff here is going to be enhanced productivity. Why? Because if service providers intimately know their products and services and their organization, it means they don't have to constantly keep calling for help or asking for assistance or escalating to a manager. Why? Because they have the information and the permission, change management permission, to deal with most things themselves. Now, the payoff here is huge, okay? It makes customer service as a differentiator. So if you can get a big survey, you're going on a trip, you have 2 or 3 airlines you normally deal with, which one are you going to choose? Is it only going to be price, or is there going to be something beyond that? Quite often, if it's a big item, you're going to look at service as the differentiator. That's what these competencies in this mindset does. And the payoff here, greatly increased satisfaction levels. As you can see, these 2 women high-fiving each other. This is the reaction that this kind of professionalism will result in. I hope you enjoyed it and find it very valuable. Please check out the course, check out the 20% discount here, and I'll see you online.